Starting with just a broken part off my jet ski and our Artec 3D scanners, I brought my buddy Rich and Nino, one of Trimax application engineers, into play to show me the capabilities behind our 3D scanning along with the software. Rich is now showing me how to effectively scan my part in order to capture the detail needed to get an STL. We were able to successfully scan the part on the first attempt and bring it into Artec Studio's scanning software. As you can see, the scan was not perfect, so Rich showed me how to align the data that the scanner was able to capture, which gave us a sharp-looking finished product. Now you'll notice the final result being very detailed down to even capturing the remains of the injection molded vent holes on the original part. This definitely assures me that we have an accurate file. We then exported that file as an STL from the Artec Studios software. I was able to bring the file into GrabCAD Print Pro to set up for printing on the Stratasys H350 using SAF technology. And I must say, wow, that was fast. You'll notice the file looks good for the most part in the printing software, so I was able to choose my orientation, which is a rather efficient process in GrabCAD. Oh wait, the software detected a slight error in the part, so we're going to go ahead and fix that really quickly with the very efficient repair function offered from GrabCAD Print Pro. I was then able to duplicate the part and nest those duplicates to prepare for printing on our H350 using PA12 as our material of choice. After my first print with this file overnight, the following day I was able to do a test fit and confirm that the printed parts hit the necessary tight tolerance requirements. I was then able to get back on my jet ski to do a couple of test trials to ensure that the material I used, PA12, was able to withstand to the constant pounding that jet skis take when aggressively riding over choppy waters. The first iteration of my original scan worked perfectly, and I'm now able to ride off and know that my luggage is secure no matter where I'm riding.